What's up everyone? So I wanted to start this vlog out announcing this could be my biggest vlog yet. The vlogger and Instagrammer who's inspired me 100% to start everything that I've done, start this channel. Basically, what I've been doing the last couple years is in this vlog. And I got the pleasure to have dinner with him the last couple nights. You may know him as LeBlanc or Christian LeBlanc, and he is the inspiration and motivation to this channel and again, what I've done the last couple years, which includes quit my job. Now, let's not look at quitting as a bad thing.
It was the worst decision of your life.
And I've experienced some unimaginable places, experience that's made me extremely happy with what I've been doing. Let's admit, I couldn't have met Christian without this legend right over here.
Is it just a voiceover or
No,
a video?
it's a video.
Oh, thank you, hi.
Without this guy right over here, Freddy. He's traveled the world for many, many years now, and he's known on Instagram as travel_Fred. I'll put it right over here. Woo! And it has some of the most beautiful Instagram photos and inspirational content out there right on Instagram. That's how I met him. I met him about 4 months ago out in San Francisco. He stayed with me for a night, and it was a great experience hanging out with Fred. And let's not forget, he's single too, ladies.
And I can do yoga.
And he can do yoga.
I can, no.
He cannot do yoga. Fred and I left Mondo Surf Village today where we were at the last 3 nights, 4 days, and it was such an amazing experience there. I didn't get to experience the yoga, but Fred experienced the yoga, did a session, and he thought it was perfect. And overall, Fred and I had a great time at Mondo. Mondo is one of my favorite stays out in Bali. It's one of the 5-star premier surf and yoga retreats. You know what? I'll just start the vlog over here. All right, good morning guys. Welcome to beautiful Canggu. I made it back to Bali. And yes, Melissa ended up leaving about 2 days ago. We've been here for 2 nights so far. How was your time?
Amazing.
Amazing. I'm gonna miss you. And here's my other +1. Not as beautiful, but beautiful on the inside. And yeah, Melissa ended up leaving about 2 days ago. But as you see, I have Freddy with me right now. And yeah, we will be vlogging today at Mondo Surf Village. We're here for 3 nights, 4 days, Freddy and I. And we're up in that room over there. We got an early morning for us right now. We're gonna do a little surfing at 7 a.m. I think we're going to Jimbaran Beach. And they have awesome sessions that you can just sign up for on board. They have surf sessions, they have jiu-jitsu, they have yoga. This place is pretty awesome. And yeah, we have a 7 a.m. surf session. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Pretty good. This is the beginner surf session.
Yep.
Okay, awesome. And yeah, I think we're going to Jimbaran to go surfing. I'm not too sure, but yeah, today will be the first day vlogging at Mondo Surf Village. Actually, tomorrow we're leaving to a new hotel, Freddy and I. But today we're gonna get some surfing, hopefully get some yoga in too, and yeah, hang out with the crew here. So this is the board where you can sign up for all the activities. Like if you want to surf, you just put your name in. You have Muay Thai, Jiu-Jitsu, barbecues on Saturdays. And yeah, you just put your name in here and you just join the trip, so it's pretty awesome. And I heard it's a change of plans, so we might not be going to Jimbaran, we're gonna be going a little closer, which is nice. So these are our vans.
Perfect. The sandwiches are all the same?
Fancy. Oh, that looks actually pretty good. It's delicious. Nice. All right.
Oh, don't give me that nervous face. Right?
All right. I guess I'll go to the back. Squeeze in.
Intermediate son.
Oh God, I gotta get out.
Yeah.
I'm out. Oh, that's easy. Yep, I'm over there, 100%. Is there space in the beginner's car?
Really? Oh, we downgraded.
I ran so fast into this car, I was like, no thank you. So this is the beginner's crew.
Is that...
Woo! So this is a Cafe Organic, quick pit stop. This is one of the most popular cafes out in Bali. But I don't need any coffee, I have too much energy. You guys, you're the surf instructor, right?
Hey, yeah.
All right, so this is... Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Woody.
Woody? All right. He's a photographer, he's a surf instructor, he's a jack of all trades, so...
His brother, yeah, next to it.
And yeah, we're hoping the waves are gonna be a little calmer. It was pretty rough yesterday, so all the surfers didn't go to the spot close by, but we're gonna check it out today. Woody was saying the waves should be a little calmer, so we'll see about that. All right, this is the spot. So we're gonna check the waves out. Yesterday was pretty rough. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. Kinda.
No, but in comparison to yesterday,
This isn't as bad as yesterday?
yeah.
This is a nice beach.
Okay, I guess we'll. This is a nice beach though. I might just get my tan on.
Very nice beach. We're gonna surf here.
Yeah?
Yeah? Okay, yeah, okay.
You so happy? In Padang Padang with coffee.
Yeah, a little surf pup. He doesn't even want to get in. So this is the bad boy I get to use. And yeah, whew, I don't want to go too far out there. Let's get the GoPro out.
How you pop up last time?
How I pop up?
Wow, that's perfecto, perfecto.
No.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, good. Yeah.
When you
Last time I surfed, I lost my GoPro, and it was on my head. Hopefully I don't lose it this time. Alright, the drone's back. Pretty good, awesome flight. I'm sure you saw the instructor stood on his head while he's surfing, did some spins. The guy's a pro. They know what they're doing here at Mondo Surf. They're already out there for another surf, and I'm just chilling with the drone, and I'm gonna get a coconut, and I basically stood 2 out of 3 times. Everyone said I did a good job, so we're gonna keep it as a good, successful day. Surfing is so much fun. I can definitely see how surfing can be therapeutic when you're standing on the board. It's a pretty cool feeling. I can't really explain it, but Mondo Surf Village. I'm stoked to go back to the hotel later, but right now I get to chill on the beach. You got a little coconut life, and you got the beach. What more can you ask for? If you ever need a bracelet, they're all over the beach. They sell them everywhere. Go watch my sales vlog, shows you how to negotiate. No thank you. No thank you. Oh, hello! Good surf day. Awesome surf day. Good work today.
tomorrow,
Yeah.
Saturday again.
Maybe. Maybe. Good surf day today. Great day. Great day. And she's shopping. Good vibes all around. Great day surfing. We're gonna grab the rest of our boards. I think they're gonna drop some people off for lunch. I'm gonna head back to Mondo and take care of Fred. Hopefully he's feeling better. Look at muscles right here. Back in the van.
On the van.
Yep. It's about 10 minutes back from Mondo, and we're gonna hang out, probably get some lunch and relax. That was a fun surf session with a professional right over here. Woo! All right, back to Mondo Surf Village. This sign is so true. Difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. We're back. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it, man. And this is Mondo Surf Village. So you come and you get a little lobby right over here. It's pretty awesome because they have motorbikes here that you can take for free, which doesn't really happen too often. So Freddy and I took a motorbike the last couple of days for free. I'll give you guys a quick tour of what Mondo looks like. So there's the entrance over there. You walk down these steps, and our room's over there. It looks like the key is still in the door, so Freddy should be around. Make a left this way, right over here. They got a couple of villas, a couple of rooms over here, it seems like. The kitchen is right over here, so you would order the food over here. And here's the breakfast spot, or this is where you can eat at. And then let's walk this way. You pass the villa over there. I met a girl last night. Checked out her villa, I think 2 days ago, the day we got here. It's pretty nice, a little bigger than our room, but we're still pretty happy with what we got. Here's like the little bar area that they have, and it goes by a trust system. So you just fill out your name, fill out the paperwork, and every time you take a beer, you just check it off. And you, yeah, the trust system. And walking this way, you get this beautiful pool right over here. See, this is our last night here at Mondo. It's great vibes. Everyone that I was surfing with, they're saying, oh, let's stay another night, stay in a couple nights. This is supposedly one of the best surf resorts, surf villages you could say out in Canggu. It is, again, a 5-star resort out here, and it's absolutely beautiful. The vibes are perfect. There's kites all around, which makes me a little nervous of shooting the drone up, but this place is absolutely beautiful, the setup. Is it safe? Is it safe? Oh my God, it's safe. What's up, buddy? How you feeling?
Okay, good.
This is the room. Pretty simple. We got a couple beds right here. We got a German guy right here.
Just made that just for you.
Oh, the sweet gentleman.
Close together. I got us new blankets and
The Germans, they're the best. So it's super clean, a couple of beds. You get the closets here. There's a little fridge down there. And the bathroom is just very simple, very simple. But yeah, let's just chill, probably relax, maybe get our massages either tonight or tomorrow. Gonna get some food soon and relax for the day. This is honestly so relaxing here. Haven't really done too much, sent some emails out. I'm actually exporting the One-Block vlog right now, so yeah, Mondo Surf Village is a pretty relaxing place. I think we're gonna get some dinner in a little bit. I have an awesome collaboration set up, one of my favorite places in all of Bali. I don't know if you guys know how much I like cake and ice cream, but you guys will find out in a second.
Hey, I'm Chris, I'm Sea Loud Traveler.
Oh God, yeah, we are heading out right now. We're gonna do a quick pit stop before this special dinner that I have set up at the lawn, and yeah, you'll see one of my favorite spots for sunset out in Canggu. Ooh.
Want to ride, sexy?
Yeah, please, thank you.
You can also ask him if he has a spot.
Alright, so we made it to the lawn. This is like one of my favorite spots for sunsets. You pay $1 million and you get these couches for the day.
Including the girls.
Including the girls. They're all included. And you get a view like that.
We don't know them.
And this is the spot where I crashed my drone last time. I'll put the link below, and yeah, we're gonna have a good time here for a little bit. We're gonna catch the sunset. We're gonna head to my special setup later on. And this is just pretty much the lawn. Good vibes, good music, good times. We ended up catching a quick sunset on the beach, headed out of the lawn down to Seminyak to one of my favorite dessert spots in all of Bali. Fred was super excited for an old friend he was about to see too. There we are, Bali Bakery. Oh, makasih. Makasih.
oh my god.
Oh my god. Fun. Alright guys, so we finally made it to Bali Bakery. I am super stoked for this moment. The man, the myth, the legend is here. Let me introduce you to... Who's back there? Who's back there? Christian LeBlanc.
Came out of nowhere.
So this guy is the guy that motivated me. I quit my job. I've been watching his vlogs for years to come, and yeah, we're having dinner right now, and I'm
It was
so...
the worst decision of your life.
I'm so
I was
appreciative.
waiting for that part. You were like, oh, I quit my job, and thanks a lot, like, asshole.
But yeah, he's here. Super stoked to have him here, and I got, of course, Freddy here with me all day, and welcome to the channel, Christian. I appreciate
Thank you. Yeah.
you
No,
coming
it's
for dinners.
Awesome, dude. And you set us up at dinner tonight, which, man, I'm hungry.
Yeah, no, dude, have at it, have at it.
Yeah.
So we're at Bali Bakery right now. It's funny, I was at Bali Bakery, I think 5 days in a row last year. I was at Sanur, and they actually have a Bali Bakery in the Taksu Hotel. And when you have cake and you got me there, yeah, let's not go there. You'll see that in a little bit. We were recommended some dishes from the manager, took our time to order, but ended with the perfect meal. And the food is here. Bakeries have steak. That looks pretty good.
Well, I'm definitely.
We have so much food in front of us.
I got
And then
the
Christian.
penne and cheese.
That looks good.
It does look good. I'm very excited.
Hopefully it's good.
Bon appetit.
Chow down, guys. Oh my god. Oh wow, thank you so much. That looks good. That's, what kind of cake is it?
It's tiramisu.
That sounds good.
Logo design.
Logoed it up. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. So who wants to cut it?
You have to.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no! Oh no!
Whoever pulls out the sword is CeeLo Travel.
Maybe only you can.
Only you can pull it out.
Destroy it. Where's your sticker at?
I'm just jealous. I don't have a cake, a design cake for me. So.
And that's the cake. Thank you very much. Have a good night, guys. All right. Thank you. And he has told us to try the gelato, so even though we're stuffed, I think we're gonna try the gelato. Oh man, that looks aggressive. Oh my god, thank you so much.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I don't even want, oh boy. Jesus. Good seeing you.
You too.
Appreciate it.
Good night. See you tomorrow or the day after or wherever. Alright guys. Buenas noches.
Have a good night. Good? Yeah, I'm ready. You look great. As usual.
So,
we're here in Seminyak. Seminyak is too busy, that's why I always go to Canggu. We are not in focus. I'm full. We had a lot of food. I'm gonna overtake them. Okay, I'm gonna give it back to Mr. Lau.
Alright, that was an awesome dinner at Bali Bakery. The food was delicious. I didn't expect the steaks to be that good. And good little dinner with Christian again. Heading back to Mondo right now. I think we're gonna chill out for the night, do a little work. Alright, we made it back to Mondo Surf Village. Freddie found a friend. A little cat came in our room. We're gonna be hanging out in our room for the rest of the night, get some edits in, send some emails out. And it was an awesome day surfing with Mondo Surf Village. The instructors were amazing. We ended up having a relaxing day, but at the same time I had dinner for the second night with one of my favorite YouTubers of all time. Not this cat, but LeBlanc. And yeah, thank you so much, Bali Bakery, for an awesome cake, for an awesome night, for an awesome meal with Freddie, me, and Christian. It was such an awesome day today. And yeah, we're gonna get some work done. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, hit that like button. Welcome to the channel if you guys are brand new. Comment down below if you guys have any questions again on Bali. I have a lot of Bali vlogs if you guys wanna watch that. Check them out on my channel. And definitely hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for the next vlogs coming out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog today. It was a big day for me meeting Christian for the second night. And yeah, have a good night, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.
Meow. Meow.
Oh wow, this is pretty impressive actually. Leg straight, leg straight, leg straight, leg straight.